Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting and challenging question from Stanford Math Olympiad. Here we have to evaluate x power 6 plus y power 6 if these four equations are known to us, given that x and y belongs to complex numbers. So let's get started by writing this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. Here we will write equation 3 and this will be equation number 4. I will assume here x plus y. Suppose this is equal to u and x times y. This will be our v. Now we are going to write our second equation. So we will write second equation x cube plus y cube equal to 20. Now we are going to multiply both sides by x plus y. So we will multiply RHS by x plus y, given that x plus y cannot be 0. Now we will multiply term by term. So x cube times x power 4, y cube times y power 4. Now cross product terms will be x cube y plus xy cube. From there we will take xy common. So in the bracket we can write x square plus y square. And in RHS we will write 20 times x plus y. Now x power 4 plus y power 4. As per our equation number 3, value is 23. xy is our substitution. Here we will write v. X square plus y square. Equation number 1, value will be 11. X plus y is our substitution u. So we are ready with our fifth equation. 23 plus 11v equal to 20u. Equation number 5. Now we will write equation number 3. Let us write equation 3 here. This equation we will write x power 4 plus y power 4 equal to 23. Again we are going to multiply by x plus y both sides. Given that x plus y cannot be 0. Now we have to expand our LHS. X power 4 times x power 5. Y power 4 times y power 5. Cross product term will be x power 4 y plus xy power 4. From there we will take xy common. So in the bracket we can write x cube plus y cube. In RHS we have 23 times x plus y. Now x power 5 plus y power 5. Equation number 4, value will be minus 25. xy is our substitution v. X cube plus y cube is equation number 2, value is 20. X plus y is substitution u. So we'll ready with our sixth equation, minus 25 plus 20v equal to 23u. Equation number 6. Now we will write our fifth equation, which was 23 plus 11v equal to 20u. Now we have two equations, two unknowns, u and v. So we'll use elimination method. So I need to cancel v. So I am going to multiply our sixth equation by 11. And we will multiply our fifth equation by 20. So that we will get the same multiplier with v. Let's multiply. Minus 25 times 11. Minus 275 plus 20 times 11, 220v equal to 23 times 11, 253u. Now fifth equation we will multiply with 20. So we will write here 460. Then we will get the same term 220v equal to 400u. Now we are going to subtract second equation from first one. So we will put minus sign over here, minus here. These two terms will get over. Minus 275 minus 460 minus 735, 253 minus 400, we will write here 147 with negative sign u. So u will come out minus 735 divided by minus 147. Value will be equal to 5. So u is 5. Now we are going to use our equation number 5. Let me write here u equal to 5. Now we will write our fifth equation 23 plus 11v equal to 20u. So from this equation we will write value of v will be 20u minus 23 over 11. So we will write here 20 times 5 minus 23 over 11 will be equal to 100 minus 23 over 11 will be equal to 77 over 11. So we will get v value 7. U is 5, v is 7. Now we have to find required expression x power 6 plus y power 6. Let's find. So we will write here u equal to 5, v equal to 7. Required expression is here. Now we will multiply our fourth equation. Let me write fourth equation first. X power 5 plus y power 5 equal to minus 25. Now we will multiply by x plus y both sides. So we will write times x plus y. Let's expand LHS. X power 5 times x, x power 6. Y power 5 times y, y power 6. This is our required expression. E plus cross product terms x power 5 times y and x y power 5. From there we will take x y common. So in the bracket we can write x power 4 plus y power 4. In RHS we will write minus 25 times x plus y. Now x power 4 plus y power 4. Equation number 3, value will be 23. xy is substitution v. X plus y is substitution u. So I can write e plus 23v equal to minus 25u. Now u is 5, v is 7. We can find our required expression e. So e will be equal to minus 23v minus 25u. Let's plug in the values of u and v. Minus 23 times v, which is 7, minus 25 times u, which is 5. Now 23 times 7 is 161 with negative sign, minus 25 times 5, 125. So E will be equal to, minus is common. In bracket we can write 161 plus 125. E will be equal to minus of 286. So our answer for required expression x power 6 plus y power 6 will be minus 286. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hype. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.